Hey, what's up everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to edit videos in YouTube editor. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you have to do to open the YouTube editors, you have to click on your channel and you have to press the Manage Videos button. After that, you have to pick a video from where you want to edit it and point your mouse on it. After that, you will see 4 different icons and you have to press this pencil button. After you do so, you have to find that editor button and click on it. Here you are. The second way to open the YouTube editor is to click on a video you have to edit and scroll a bit down, and here you see edit videos. You have to press on it and click the editor button. So here we are at the YouTube video editor, and the first thing you see is this main page. So here you can find this little video icon, and if you press it, you can watch your video. You can also skip it back or forward. You can add the volume or mute it, and you can pick the speed for your video. Also, the main thing is this little line which helps to scroll the video a bit. So there's also this video editing section, which the first thing is the trim and cut. To use it, you can just cut the first part of the video or also the end by scrolling this little blue stick. Yeah, the thing you have to do is to press this little plus button, and here you can automatically see this little red row with 2 sticks like this one, but a bit smaller. So to use it, you just have to put on a section that you want to cut, like something like that, and now when you press play, the video will just skip this section. Yeah, and to apply it, you just have to press this little check button. Yeah. The next thing in this section is the blur. So there are different blurs. A face blur is going to find different faces, and you have to just apply it, and the custom blur, which you just can blur yourself a different section of a video. So you can change its size and you can also move it. You can make the shape oval, and you can make to track the certain object like a name or something, and or fix a blur position. And when you think you're good to go, you just press save. So after that, you can see the audio button. What it basically means that you can add some different music to the video. So you just have to press add audio, and here you can find different music tracks. So for example, we can add this one. To edit, you just have to press this edit button, and now all of the video is going to be with that music. But if you want to make the music smaller, you can just scroll the edges of it, and boom, you made it a bit smaller. Also, if you want to filter these things, that you can find the track title, the genre, the mood, artist name, or duration. So let's pick the mood, for example. And here there are different moods. For example, sad, romantic, happy, dramatic, dark, calm, and yeah, you can pick multiple different moods at the same time. After you found a audio that you like, the next thing would be add end screen. So to add a end screen, the video must be 25 seconds or longer than 25. How to use it? You just press this edit button, and here you can add the end of the video. For example, you can choose the subscribe button, or you can choose where your video will be. So you can choose different videos from where YouTube should pick. You can allow YouTube to get the best video on their channel that they think. You can choose a specific video from your channel or from any YouTube, or you can just select the most recent upload that is just going to upload a random video. Yeah, so if you want to add a bit, if you want to add something else, you can just press this little add button, and here you can see different options like links, subscribe, and playlist, video, or channel. So you can add a other video place and you can put it where you want, but not over this one. Yeah, so after you made your end screen video, you can also add info cards. So an info card is a card that pops up in the middle of the video or where you want to pop it up. So for example, you want a info card to pop the video out. So you can choose any video, so like for example this video, and now you can see at the right top corner it's going to pop up this video, and when you click on it, it's going to send you automatically to the video that there is here. Also, you can add multiple videos, like for example you need to press it again and add a video, like maybe this video, and you can just change their different spots by moving these little sharp sticks. After you're done with that, you can also change the end screen spot. For example, you can add that, you can make the subscribe button appear faster than the different videos, or the videos appear faster than the subscribe button by changing the spots of the video. When you're done, you can just check the video by moving the stick where you want to check it, for example the end screen, and press the play button. So you can see the subscribe button appears faster than the videos. That's because I just moved this subscribe button a bit forward than this both video button. So after you're good to go, you just press this save button and you just wait for the video to save. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button to never miss any of my videos, and I will see you at the next video.